how to install our single metal bed in real time. All right, first things first, let's unbox everything and make sure we've got all the parts. The boys have checked this and laid everything out. All the parts will be in the instruction manual. The boys are starting with the side rails and attaching them to the head and foot ends. They will just slide in, no screws required. Make sure everything's lined up before sliding in, and then knock it into place so it's fitted tight. We're going to assemble both ends first, head and foot. This gives us the basic structure, so when we attach the side rails later, it's stable and easy to align. Now that both ends of the bed are upright and secure, we're going to connect them using the side rails. These rails don't need any screws. They just slot or hook into the brackets on each end. You want to start by angling them slightly down, then slide or push them into the grooves until you hear or feel a click. Make sure both ends are fully locked in. If it feels loose or wobbly, try removing it and reattaching with a bit more pressure. Sometimes they need a firm push. I like to get both rails in before doing a stability check. Once they're locked in, the whole frame starts to feel a lot more solid. These are the horizontal support bars that run across the width of the bed. They're basically the foundation for the slats that sit on top. There's 4 of them. You want to slide them into each of the hooks that are evenly situated on the inside of the side rails. All right, now that the slat base is in, we can start installing the metal slats on top. These are the slats. They run vertically from one side rail to the other, and they get screwed directly into the base strips we just installed. Each slat lines up with pre-drilled holes on the support bars. Just drop it into place and check that it's sitting flat. Now, we screw them in. Don't over-tighten them. Just firm enough to hold everything in place. Each slat gets 2 screws into each support bar, so that's 8 screws per slat. It takes a little time, but it makes the frame super solid. These are what the mattress will sit on, so this step is all about making sure everything's stable and screwed in properly. While Mario's drilling in each of the slats, George is putting on the end caps. These little plastic end caps go on the top and bottom of each structural bar, so you'll need 8 in total. 4 bars, 2 caps each. They just slide or click on, no tools needed, but don't skip them. They help protect the ends of the bars, reduce noise or rattling, and stop any sharp edges from rubbing against the mattress or sheets. When screwing in the slats, I like to get all 8 screws in loosely first, then go back and tighten once everything's lined up. And that's it. The single metal bed is officially done and dusted. Everything's stable and solid. It's ready for a mattress and a good night's sleep. If you're building one of these yourself, I hope this gave you a clear idea of the steps and what to expect. It's honestly pretty straightforward once you get going. Until next time, happy building.